Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Jump Force. To begin, you'll want to master the fundamental controls. Use the left analog stick to move your character around the arena. For basic offense, press the square button for light attacks and the triangle button for heavier, slower strikes. Remember to hold the L1 button to guard against your opponent's attacks, minimizing incoming damage. Finally, press the X button to jump, allowing for aerial maneuvers and evasions. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to elevate your combat. Hold the R2 button to charge your energy, which is crucial for special moves. To execute these powerful attacks, hold R2 and then press one of the face buttons, like square or triangle. When your awakening gauge is full, press the R3 button to temporarily boost your stats and unlock unique abilities. Don't forget to use grabs by pressing L1 and square together to break through guarding opponents. Jump Force is a team battle, so managing your three characters is key. You can switch between your active fighter and your two support characters by pressing the L2 button. This allows you to bring in fresh fighters or utilize different movesets. Additionally, press the L1 button to call in an assist attack from one of your teammates, which can extend combos or provide crucial defense. Strategic swapping helps manage health and ensures you always have the right character for the situation. To truly master Jump Force, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in training mode to perfect your combos and special move timings. Understanding character matchups is also vital. Knowing your fighter's strengths and weaknesses against others will give you a significant advantage. Pay close attention to your opponent's habits and attack patterns to anticipate their actions. Finally, don't be afraid to experiment with various team compositions to discover a playstyle that perfectly suits you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.